yeah, do rock and roll. Adam the down for la and you rock and roll. Adam the down for la and you rock and roll. Yeah,
across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer Radio.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
The Mihuni is and then Molana also because of March. No Molana, idea would have been Pempeswano at Agini Posua. The Mihuni is and then Molana also because of March. No Molana, idea would have been Pempeswano at Agini Posua.
Na miniano memma menana no na ye no mo zongo o mun kai se ye bibia dise ahabaya ka ho o bi baba pa kana guru mi wafa ana guru mi papa embo no ndi pa mo so o mu ba o mun tia o de place no o be o mu me tia o mu ka o mu ji bi ni mbo no.
Pride, arrogance, share a hand time and they kill house of folk. Pride, any hand time, and then they kill house of folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come low and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omoteno, high horse hono, baby omoteno brofa kese no mokano. Supporters in Tiasia, and you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yan kamasem, umwadie, yan criticize me, criticize me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. What do you mean Tim Kakakati say house of folk? Abay any do atemo. What do you mean Tim Kakakati say house of folk? Abay young criticize you. I don't hear me. Are you God? Now nobody can criticize you. Who criticize you? So we criticism. We are raising critique and it is legitimate.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
right, Okuma 97.1. And then, Bnada, 31st of January 2023. Simami and Sabapa Tonko home. And into the Okuma Global Sports Yatanasi Yeripa. na 31st di na nene de twato ani okuma Global Sports ye di brewa wia fi echina eko echina the 1st of February eko no okuma Global Sports ni be brew anopa nondu adekopim dumienu 10 am echina adekopim 12 pm and in bra and no mpanyefo so ahye say ne Global Sports na yemfa bra ya na wa share so say fi echina rekọ a brand new month no a chocolate month no and in the month of love no and the Global Sports never bro from 10 am and the copim 12 pm and opa nundu and the copim awia prem to bre ya na wa share so para ne ibedi nkomo audio no fia ha eno e Black Galaxies nkomo ase atwetwe na basane sere ene ebe wuram na ya to aso sounds na Ghana Premier League echena match se wo ho yes midweek action se wo ho ye the fixtures ni nyina beba now so one club ball anase ne no team ono so ne bebo but the focus on mo fanche be ya manane kakra isanse transfer deadline Ghana 4 players and as a Ghana ye players any almost so ye move other teams from any other top transfer issues no and the ba Probia Santibetana sin no the Aquaman and na fin so no transfers no the aba onim say ne na ene no etwa to e wa ya manane a transfer issues ni nyina so no ekoso Chelsea fu ani abre Arsenal ni abre Barcelona Manchester United Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, Paris Saint-Germain, Liverpool, Tottenham, other clubs in Niabre, Benfica Niabre, and to be a chasson on Sono and net transfer the line over Perquins, any players a good bottom. They don't so come ebedi. But I am fan a second CM fan, my executive producer. Here are Kofi Anson Balfour, KB, Nana Kofi Okori Ajman, dancing at DJ Zigibi, DJ Donzi, Pa Solo Paradise, Samuel Otu, Amunya Tamechi, Robbie Asante, Ajua Pokia Wanam, TWC, the writer commentator. We are born mature on that thing, so you didn't someone I would do in and so their bro. So on your break, HME, ATME, and so no, if you know, Yankupo Shirao. Baby, our Jumman, our Trotro and taxi move. Out here, body in Shirao, Papa. Taxi driver, fro, a year, Yesumpo. Taxi driver, what Bioma Utie? Yamishra, Papa, only passengers in Yamishra. Or Papa of a Bapes cuisine. Madam Yamiche, Mamiche, where we are. I tell Crano. Meba. And Janos, no. And Jack Robbie Abetanasi. Nemo join your live on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1. YouTube and see your Command Radio 97.1. For Facebook and now I like your page. Now I say, now fin soro do comment. I would on it at all. Prepare me, Baby Brenner. I can answer the amount. WhatsApp messages, SMS, or they buy 0551667755. 0551667755. Samsung at 0270-191971. 0270-191971. And no air WhatsApp and I fin SMS messages. For bra. I mean, we say Lisa Brown. I mean, we show speedy recovery. Yeah, many papa no Lisa Brown, Lisa. Mami wish you speedy recovery. Oh, I didn't be back. Aye. Oh, just no more Bruno. Bruno no them wa. No man what didn't be back. We did the Kelvin and Pontetti. Call me AK the boss player. Robbie Atanasi and Pama Conwana. Mama na kwaba fitienu ni Robbie and Shadana is that say the transfer ni mu papa transfer the line. and they say on na near the abu room that you say players move some way near or the aba Krabia say bia come on
Ikobadi adama bibia fine pa kama pa
bibia di dem won
oh ya wan hoden ne won kwankwan ade aseda enya mene dia o se papa obonio ne nyina mu no yemfa aseda emma no nti de koye ne dia nkoye nyina yete asenko ade aseda ane yede be mo bo ade nti ye hoden pa hoden
na transfer issues
oh and there deadline day no 11 p.m. sharp GMT na ye close January transfer window no 11 p.m. pepe you know ye nwuremu ewo midnight ye boy 11 pepe na ye close bibia na nneoma nso etumi akonkan I think that few of other transfer moves bi ni ade na ekọ ensheda anye we akese bia said ye benya no during the summer time no so January I think that a lot Chelsea transfer window and most of what signings in nyina no wo motumi aprepre and say the aka nyina other feeble moves are players in be able to me the akọ but the shocking one no also Joao Cancelo the last date yes na enya dia ye hu say able to me see especially in this particular window and how our player no year to this Manchester City side Pep Guardiola I think say na BBI interest but last week more baby Anna with Bernardo Silva, Joao Cancelo, Kai Walker no yet say one more any opening to me nya banter kakra and so our dressing room one more Pep Guardiola and likely say these players no one way to me movie I think say no and now looking likely say brand friend Bernardo Silva say yeah but baby obekono ehona sisia no sa baby kono na mboa no FC Barcelona wo mo nya ready say no enye sa unze wo mo FC Barcelona anya ready emfa ma no say wo mo de Bernardo Silva e ba say wo be guarantee no playing time ne sa nyoma no edin edin pa and players bi wo hwa ene no Abrante friend of Rafinha wonim say why outcast e wo FC Barcelona team say Abrante friend Ousmane Dembele ekono ana e bia ono so betumi nya minute aba bebo ntino ye wo players wo hono ma eke wo mo issue no wo mo solving wie ntino Bernardo Silva like this wo mo Barca din to mean guarantee no saren moreover the wage bill unless say bia no so reduce answer na wetumi akwa kopie so a lot of things but yenhwe so far as a transfer no other stories ne shock news na eba ne de bibia betumi esi that sorry ya Jorginho Frello and so akwa kopie mu Arsenal the Gunners na je say we know are not doing pa but Arsenal ne Chelsea there norm say player be a movie from Arsenal to Chelsea from Chelsea to Arsenal there I think say enya ade fufu bia ya ade awoma ya ache and acha every 2-3 seasons bia no e bia to me see between Chelsea and Arsenal so I think say no but enye good deal edema Chelsea as we speak enye good deal kra edema Chelsea as we speak and I think say ba be share honomo anyhow in your my echo I think say that is that and
but Hakim Ziyech issue no so
Paris Saint-Germain
yes. You know
and the Christophe Gratier manager Edema Paris nso etumi akasa ni press conference or China game awo mo born there two guys say yes indeed Abrante and the omo akọ no ho but wo mu wie bibia antino still no our Chelsea player and these are players I mean wo movie from the Chelsea side you know I think say it would help the team and kasa any baby awo mo ko ni na.
I think say loan no be boa more than say deal no be permanent.
I think say Chelsea are in for a loan deal with an option to buy. But Paris womo equal loan outright without any option and as a purchasing option. That is no idea. Paris for no insist and Chelsea so no insist say womo so be to me are coming into agreement for a loan deal with an option to buy because these are players had it not been injury situation for Christian Pulisic I think Zanka by now or no Zanka way to me moving on. These are players are one more underperforming our club and NJ woman share the NBA club and so one move it will pave way for the incomings and so almost able to make a role to play for Chelsea progressing so to me okay
I know club ya Sante I don't know Abubo Sukaka they may obey man and transfer issues Moses Caicedo the issue or the better to Samson Abrante and the and so Jorginho so no to Arsenal they never confirm me Eddie Amar said done deal Abrante and the Jorginho so now signing 2-year contract and so no Hey. Ade ama Arsenal team no na. Asemo. So be say Arsenal. So for 5 million so fan to Abrante and the Modric man yet. What the 12 million akofa. You know. Arsenal them no. And so it's amana aba ba. Na ya be din komo elfie.
Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio. ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy.
Right, ya bemo bibia ha e dia ba koma 97 do one bread do say amona ne nsem a ya boboa no efia manfo cruise no jeti ni nyina so e ba be to Ghana na kofi okore ajuma together with Eke and Paradise and so anana senior on duty omo e boa crunche nsem ne de gu krata so se me nko no kwanten kro na me fa manfo cruise nsem no emfa be dan yetiefo ene ya hwefo urhwemu e all the social media handles a jumedie no ye streaming live e twegu kama and so especially on Facebook and so any YouTube no Okoma Radio 97.1 e Facebook so na YouTube no and so your Command Radio 971 say ya kase radio no aba ye audio visual ante ne wutie no na so hwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories a yete eba other footages no ni nyina enso betumi atwa egu manioma nso no etumi akonkan DJ Ziggy ana ene no obwa ama live streaming of the Command Global Sports afternoon edition na fiochena kono de ye preprechiri kura ene ana ye wie nti ene nso no eye transfer closing day and so ewa ha aye wie bibia sai na ye close bibia na enenso no eye deadline de ntie ne temu kuchu ne tie se de nyoma nso no ekoso e wa Okoma Global Sport fi ochina ko eye 10 am to 12 AM and I say 12 PM noon na nyoma nso etumi akonkan nti no nso ene kakra ye de ema etiefo nso na nyoma etumi akonkan ye betie sim na ya ka kwhwe nsem awodre no nso ekọ enso ewa manfro cross edin no ye krobia sante ye nkopie mu ewa Algeria de ye nkwhwe the African Nations Championship a eno so etoja enso ewa Algiers ne nkwhwe se de nyoma enso ekọ eho na semi-finals no ene ana ye de ehihye so ene ne ye benya two teams a wo mo ka kopie mu akwa pre the ultimate trophy no na ya hwe oman ono nso betume tebri kruwa no enso edi akwako pimu ewo ni memu first game no enso baso ewo Maloud Stadium enso Algeria host nation no womo ni Niger ana ene no womo so ebo 4 PM Ghana time ana the game no ebetumi abaso enwumre 7 PM no Senegal womo so ene Madagascar ana ebetumi abo ewo Nelson Mandela Stadium a eno so ye dia wonsam ni nyina enso edi eba weni games no ana se semi-finals games a eno so ebetumi atugwa enso na jete atuga uremu ewo Europe and the game back on so no toja ewo Italy uremu Coppa Italia na game back pa enso basu Giuseppe Meazza San Siro ehona na uremu International de Milan womone Atalanta Bergamo ana ne womo ebo 8 PM sharp ana sa game no enso by a semi-final game ayebo ewo Coppa Italia 2022-23 season enso baso a yete ho nsem no enso edi tuga uremu enso ewo transfer deadline day no enso stories are eba any dan deals are eba potential ones no na yemfa ehonsem kakra no enso entuga na abedwafo yentena na nei wo mo empape mu a na dodo na nso no embra wakwan mu ehɔ no ayebe abehwemu enso the English Premiership ni mu a eho ana ne players awodro na any deals awodro na enso to Jana Brante ba kwa ni waba bewremu enso Wesley McKennie ono United States of America wo mo midfield osi akan edema Juventus enso Italian Scudetto ni mu waba be pie mu enso ne Leeds United the English Premier League ni mu Brante no eba be si akan so edema Leeds United na nyoma etumi akonkan oba be dwene ne counterpart na se ni teammate enso national side Tyler Adams Aaron Senomo wo mu nyina eba be complete midfield wona nyoma nso no etumi akonkan na numu na Brante ne dia to go so na ye ni dream pa se dachi bia obetumi enso abo English Premier League no Wesley McKennie anodie yinso no etuga.
True, honestly, I've dreamed of playing in the Premier League for the longest time, and now it's coming to reality, and to be able to have a support system that I have here, I'm ready.
Yes, a short kakra bi no no so etumi ade tuga say any dream na ne no eno so etumi aka me true nti ohwe nim say premiership no ono so ebetumi abɔ no ho modin wo mu na nyoma so no etumi akonkan Joao Cancelo enso a Portuguese defender osi akan de Manchester City wo English premiership ni mo enanwie a wakwa akopie mu enso e wo Menika one Bayern Munchen enso no etumi complete deal bi etumi akonkan ama ne Abrante no number 22 shirt and Abrante ni betumi a share de ama the Bavarians no na enyoma so etumi akonkan a season long loan deal and Abrante and Econemo ni modern bono also near 70 million euros and also any buy option in the Manchester City so ne Bayern Munich so no to me into agreement Abrante and Kako Japan and so Bavaria no we see akan and so Munich Dama Bayern Munich na no man so no etumi akonkan and so Uremu Atletico de Madrid wo mu so etumi and Tottenham Hotspur agree Abrante friend of Matt Doherty so no so betumi abesi akan Dama Atletico de Madrid and so was Spanish Premier Santander animu na enoma etumi akonkan ti eno ne dealer eno so ehwe nim say enoma betumi akonkan na nyoma so etumi ai kama Jet Spence enso ya Brant you see akan edema Tottenham Hotspur enei wakwa kopiem e wo OGC Nice enso e wo French League champion animu a okako si akan ma wo mo anase Stade Rennais yes na nyoma so etumi akonkan ti Jet Spence ono so eko sanso ana Matt Doherty eno so bibia etuto mo kopiem enso wa Atletico de Madrid na enoma so no etumi akonkan ye de ho nsem ni nyina enso e de ba Bernardo Silva ye di ka se players do na ana ne Pep Guardiola Joseph enso etu media to ga se player bia onye happy enso wo club ni mu no enya de obetumi enso ene wa ye djuma nti Abrante a ye friend of Bernardo Silva enso e the next online a ono so ehwe nim so obetumi movie adwene Joao Cancelo no so etumi akọ ama no ma etumi akonkan ne mom timu a neni edi ekiriye pa eye potentially obetumi adwene no eye FC Barcelona na Barcelona nso no e de ato akoda ne nim se ne ubeba yenso yen times nie enu nso sei pepepe na nyoma eti usika no ne ade ne de ubetumi atete so nti Barca enso etumi a present wo nso nyoma wo nso ene Abrante ne betumi akono e de ato ne nim ti Abrante ne hwem na ye de a ono nso betumi ese yes na and then last minute no ono nso etumi aboebre mu enso e wo campino na nyoma etumi akonkan e ho no River Plate wo mo ehwe ni ma ne pressure uwura Portugal wo mo kira River Plate a wo mo esi akan enso ewo ene Argentina league ni mu no e de ababe tuga onim se wo mo 30 million euros bi se transfer deal of Abrante friend of Enzo Fernandez no etumi ego through 30 million euros any sika ene Benfica ebetumi etua de ama ona enum na team no enso pressure wo mo de ma Benfica no enya asem keto akura se pressure chenchena chen monton enso yenji en 30 na enuoma nso no entumi enkonkan na Enzo Fernandez asemi mu a ana ne Chelsea etwene dare ehwenim se Abrante no wo mo se betumi aka no but now Benfica enso ehwenim se wo betumi nya replacement and sana nei wo mo etumi say yes enso e de amasa transfer no but say no as it stand enu aye den papa 120 million flat ene Benfica for edge Chelsea nso no pese yes wo mo ye ready say wo betua 120 no na mmum no in installment wo mo echiche mu nkakra enumu ana Rio Costa president edema Benfica enso ne bo enju so ntin komotwetwen na eguso a ene ekoso no officially papa ene no ye friend Roger Smith manager enso edema Benfica ene wo mo game wo mo ne Aruka ana ebo game nso no wo Portuguese league ni mu na Abrante friend Enzo Fernandez wo mo jana tenafie endra wanko training ene wentumi anka squad no nti sese no squad a wo mo kobo game ne no Abrante no enka squad no a wo mo hwenim so betumi preparatory na enuoma nso no etumi akonkan na opani no de nsem kakra to ga ko bisa no se ahead of the game a eba so ene no so wo mo lusu Abrante Enzo Fernandez a for how bia embre wo mana yenti papa your friend Roger Smith and some more time.
We always have to prepare everything in the background, especially at the end of the transfer window, especially when you are not on the driver's seat. So we all know that we have a situation with Enzo that he has a clause in the contract, and so that means if the player wants and there's a club who pays this amount of money, so you cannot stop that. And of course, for this moment, you have to be prepared.
Enti enone ensema Roger Smith manager enso etima Benfica ekaso womo prepared pa you womo prepared background ye so Abrante no etumi movie a ene womo won de no so betumi a sha nice transfer we de enya ada obetumi akade betumi esinti eno so no womo guso ahwe ni mu se nyoma so no ebetumi akonkan na adwobrel enso etumi abafie no ne kakra opani nso etumi ede etuga makoma ye player obesi akan enso ede ma FC Barcelona ne omo nkonkan wakako piemu e was Zenit St Petersburg na omo ne kakitwe bikuma bi na ne Paris Saint-Germain anka womo nso ewie ne momusika no Enyoma intumi ankonkan times no enya de Paris Saint-Germain enso etumi agree with Zenit St Petersburg inti sa deal no so no eya de ne mpanifo etumi calling offer ene makom so stay enso wo the Russian league ni mauti akan de ama Zenit St Petersburg na enyoma etumi akonkan na enumu ana Paris Saint-Germain adane wo mani de ache Chelsea Brandt friend no Hakim Ziyech wo mo ehwe nim se wo mo nse betumi akano no opani no enso etumi abana wa be si akan enso de ama Paris Saint-Germain nti ye kan ye kase nyina no Brandt friend no Hakim Ziyech Lande enso ewo Paris womu ehwe ni mu Chelsea enso ene Paris eguso aye kasa etomu a na ene no wetumi a complete medicals na document womu etumi asensan na ne opani nso no aba beye Paris ni na wesi akan ejama Paris Saint-Germain ntina no so ene kakra free Chelsea ene Paris Saint-Germain for Hakim Ziyech no jeti an wonsem no enso ede aba Arsenal so far ebetumi akase eye dan deal womu etumi eja Brandt a Jeffrey no Moises Caicedo a osi akan ede ma Brighton and Hove Albion and they want the 70 million pounds ekwa wo mo turning down 75 and almost dabi third bid de anya dia ye betumi dia ko nemu ye be going for an experience defender na say midfielder ono so betumi ababe boanti Jorginho Frello and so ye player osi akan de ma Chelsea na nei bibie tumi akonkan 12 million pounds wo mo etu de egu Chelsea futuom na Brandt Frello Jorginho and so tumi akwa akopie mu as backup to Brandt Frello Granit Xhaka and Thomas Partey as we speak Granit Xhaka and so egu so esi akan hosan so na Thomas Partey wenya injury kakra intinisa Brandt and ko dia hwebe wo mo game a wo mo ne Manchester City eba be bo weekend yi mu ano obehu Jorginho Frello a ono so ejire mu esi akan de ama Arsenal the Gunners na no man so etumi akonkan unless say Brandt need to me fairly medicals na Arsenal say and ye sign bio and yes our party ye tue mu ya official communique from Arsenal the Gunners and any jersey number be able to me atugwa na no man so no etumi akonkan Union Berlin ana womoni a Brandt friend no Isco Alakona o free Real Madrid be PM e was Sevilla and woman to me ankonkan contract no wo ma terminate o me Sevilla na window yi ana numu na teams awodo na ehwehwe no so far on Union Berlin a wo mu si akan e wo enne no team a friend no German Bundesliga league ni mu ama bibie to me akonkan ti Brandt na ejepeni akokusi akan de ama Union Berlin no no so etumi aboa ama Newman so no etumi akonkan ye no so ne kakra eba Sofiane Amrabat a player omuche nim se enyoma konkan po nya very good World Cup enso e wo Qatar FC Barcelona ababe hwemu se wo mu hia Brandt friend Rabat but wo mu hwe nim se loan deal no mo tumi ato no 37 million euros na numu ana ene no uremu a Fiorentina wo mu nso se dabi sa di we pa de enya ade betumi akomunti no Sofiane Amrabat ene when show up enso e wo training grounds a ye hwe nim se ne nyoma nso betumi akowantumi anko training ama nyoma nso no e ko chimpa Manchester United na uremu a Brandt friend Christian Eriksen etumi enya injury no be ba na late April early May ana Brandt ni betumi aba na chese season no ye wie no a ana Brandt ni betumi a return no enumu no opani a ode enumu Erik ten Hag manager ana ekobisa ne se ne deadline day o sign obi e de asha Brandt ya na say o ye content with players a wo no e wetim nemu.
He is disappointed about, we are disappointed about, but yeah, that's happened in top football. And it shouldn't have happened, but yeah, it did, and yeah, you have to deal with it. As you said, something coming out on deadline day, then it's difficult, and you can't make policy on such bad injuries. But we have players in the midfield department and good players. We also we have players who can fill that gap.
Enti enono Erik ten Hag ocha players wo a wo betumi afele sa gab no ma nioma nso etumi akonkan ti Eriksen enya de wo betumi assign player bia e de aba be hye na nan ne kakra panin nso no etumi e de etu ga disabia ya manager e de ma Brighton and Hove Albion no so ekobisa ne se na deadline de opani Brandt friend no Moises Caicedo still Chelsea ene Arsenal wo mu wie mu de transfer no nso close ye de na close enti say na ka fa Brandt no in case so move ya eno nso no.
We coach and chairman should be too difficult, but Caicedo is a very, very good guy. I can understand him because when you are 21 and you receive the request of big team, they are playing in Europe competition, and I can understand. I would like he can finish the season with us, but we are ready to go forward without him.
And on Nsema Disebi manager de Brighton and Hove Albion and so to me account at age 21 team bia kesi bia badia obeko oye player unso betumi akwana chere watumi akwa enjoy hunti enye nwa sa Brighton friend Moises Caicedo ehwenim so betumi a movie from Brighton and Hove Albion na mom no mo hwenim so okonso a wo ma prepare chi kama amani o betumi akonkan ha na be no akwan amedi amana ni nsem tewa ebobu ano no enso etumi eba edibedan wo chena kono eye 10 am to 12 o'clock noon na yɛde ho nsɛm no nyina ba no yɛbɛnya time na ene no yɛde nsɛm dodo na enso etumi aba begu na transfer deadline day enso ɛwɔ hɔ nti ɔkyena da dodo na enso ebetumi aba okam gyemu tiama eke na dwumedi no nso no etumi ato aso.
Okay, etino krobia asante enso I don't know ni somebody
New lenses with your friends.
Any yes. Dr. Manu Buama Azimin Ganjira say, may God favor you like Jorginho, who is moving from 10th position, Chelsea, to first position, Arsenal. Yes, and Dr. Manu Buama,
and no say your trophy.
I say, may God favor you like Jorginho, who is moving from Chelsea, 10th position, to Arsenal.
What Jorginho achieve you at Chelsea no? Your mass na 100 years.
Say current state, you know. Current state, you know. Chelsea that 10th.
Oh, but season in year.
And say CCC here. When you need to do.
Oh, CCC here.
And when you need to do, no, what could do?
From now till May. Okay.
Even from now to
Ochana kwa easy.
Wakonya
Because Obiani Naza Jorginho, you know.
Oh yeah.
I go bomb Yadom. Now I show Jorginho, so I'm on the 10th position.
Okay.
Now I could be more first. You see, I'm not dying. I'm very wise now. Or to me, that first. Yeah. I do the dog. I say, why? You too. It's dog for USC. USC. No. If we didn't come out, you have transfer issues, you know. But Ghana Premier League midweek actions and so no ewo ho China anafin so yawada China the match officiating officials ni nyina din and so be ba no pair them out until China ye be wuram na afin so one officiating officials no but China be ko dew ko bia China be ko dew
Adriana Stars
ni Dream Stars ni Adriana Stars Dreams ni Adriana Stars until China say chance on 12 ye ni 12 na je say ye kona ayi solo adam for Spinburger Spinburger usuga kope Sante unso wa Kesben Spinburger se menkanche se pe fufu joint to na akwa onye serious fe fufu joint to na oba anya na mso fufu joint e bi wo ho e mo ba omo ano oso na obo home no na bo ahun ti no so no nti Spinburger
ba utumi kwa we na wo abo ahun
Spinburger nti no nkra me dia ma solo ai Alonso no controversial man. On a praphobia also. Can I do ya na ni refi say.
Imagine for crowds.
E dey no go nyina call to you now. Avero. And the Alonso no we very much transfer issues. Solo other notable ones and ni titru Brandt Enzo Fernandez moving to Chelsea ni akoye twema menche da awere anu aya den likely said the onoka ebetumi ato zoom but me nya sure me transfers in the send e kono o da anadwo awati kpuru na yes e de wagazi say kasa sanso na Brandt and din enso no de Sofia na Amrabat enso no move to FC Barcelona boba Jorginho sisi akopi mo Arsenal Hakimi to Paris Saint-Germain Caicedo likely so be kwa na obetena sisi Arsenal kofa Jorginho na Chelsea HC Enzo Fernandez no Brandt no or tena anaso ye move bia other notable transfer issues abeso rem.
All right, ekem dase minchi ana minchi atifo
ɛne ahwɛfo a ɛhwɛ yɛn awie yi masha sɛ fi Real Madrid Carlo Ancelotti na ɛsɛntwerɛfoɔ bisa ne sɛ transfer window no ɛnde amanfoɔ ɔsensan yɛn but yɛnte Real Madrid nka player bi anso nkɔɔyɛ ɔse yes obi ɛmfiri mu nkɔ ɔmo bi foforɔ bi anso mba mmɛka ho and bibia ne we bɛsi January after some kɔfa ɛyɛ Endrick ɛde ne free Brazil ɛde ne yɛba yɛ and ɔno no ɛbɛba ɛyɛ somewhere July 2024 ɛna ɔno ɔba bɛ stay abɔ adwuma yie paa de ama team and then Real Madrid nti ɔmo nhyɛ da anyɛ signings biara January ɛnhyɛ da mfa obi foforɔ bi a ɛmfɛmba ɛno yɛ Ancelotti ɛnso ɛdeɛ Manchester United Abrante did Christian Eriksen epra and we United game ɔmo boy against Reading our FA Cup ni ma Abrante did Andy Carroll we tackles or the United midfielders in the so na ya there ano ye den e de ma Man United midfielders no and then didi mo ma Christian Eriksen enso akwakonya da injury a akwakotra nchen kakra e de Ma United team no yenim Christian Eriksen after so oba Man United one Abrante de Casemiro partnership no e kan Bruno Fernandes won finfi wono na ya de eboa United pa so all conche na betumi affect United team no coach Nakasa de akire wiase afana nyina emra club ya Tidbit no na ya tensem o kan say omo equally good players but United ohia emfinfin wono mo na Abrante ni de Casemiro conche no na ye hu omo game omo eboy without no against Arsenal ye hu ni e course e won finfin wono McTominay entumi anya adwuma Casemiro eye no Fred eba ye be ye kakra but ansha dan fa Casemiro recover the Eriksen so ko enti McTominay and Fred eba be shen emfinfin obiam modern betumi akosan reporter eni na mo from mama eno so eba say Atletico Madrid akache United say Carrasco ehun da ho enti say omo pe no betumi aba befa enti eno so yedi akira ahwe say Man United be kwa kofa Carrasco aba be she Christian Eriksen anan e wo ho anan na omo kwa e loan e no mkwa kofa no se wo mra no mba mbebo enkopem time season no onso be ba wi enti yedi eno so achi e yesa sign na niam abetumi akọ e de afa United Manchester United ho na no okọ Inter Milan team na akache a Abrante ani de Milan Skriniar Paris Saint-Germain enso edi akire den say omonsa be kan no aba be si akan e de ama Paris Saint-Germain team no per report kora na Abrante no any PSG agree personal terms ama onyaya oni di anka wabuna ketem kora free three akopiem enso of France wo akosi akan e de ama Paris Saint-Germain and Inter Milan enso e say ekoba say sa down na eba so a say omu de omani enso edi akire e wo United two defenders enso say anye bia no mbenya baako no aba be si akan e de ama team and the Inter Milan abesha Milan Skriniar enso anan number 1 Man United captain and idin enso e de Harry Maguire ono ne omo number 1 a omo hwe say omo sabeka no so omo enya no a Victor Lindelof omo be akofa no no so aba be si akan e de ama Inter Milan bobo no but Lindelof according to coach Erik ten Hag, Lindelof is a player still open on here na adwen so obeja no amanako enti likely say Inter ebenya Victor Lindelof enti Abrante likely so obeko no Abrante and the Harry Maguire and hwe se Maguire ebeko akwakosi akan se koba ne se Milan Skriniar every Inter Paris Saint-Germain there na likely say Harry Maguire and so ebeko no akwakosi akan e de ama Inter Milan bobo ko no Kamaldeen Suleiman na Ghana ni Abrante a ono so abe hot cake e wo transfer window ni mu pa Klaus Bebre RB Leipzig e di akire Everton di akire Southampton enso e di akire so mo nsan be ka no no aba be si akan enso atumi e dama mo from French Ligue 1 no enso emu oyo young chap ni modem money ade a e wo soro and oyo attacking midfielder eba no wings a ne performance no enso etumi ekɔ nkan enso honom ene Southampton team no ena Kamaldeen Sulemana agye atum so obekɔ akosi akan enso etumi ediama Sabo Boko na wɔ English Premiership name ama omo no ne club no agree with a 25 million euros plus another 3 million euros add-ons. I know so ebesan aba account na the so kan bomu 28 million euros. Southampton team no ebetua e de ama Rennes e wo French Ligue 1 nim na fe Ghana ni Abranta ne de Kamaldeen Sulemana aba besi akan 4.5 years contract and na se be 4.5 years contract and Abranta no e ba be sign e de ama club and de Southampton e be boa no na ye hwe Leipzig yes another club eba no young chap na omo tete omo etumi e de omo basoro e ma big clubs eba before omo de omo ko omo another club beat say Salzburg RB Salzburg omo so the same thing omo ye entina nka okwa ebetumi aboa no Everton enso e club okwa obenya match playing time e wo honom but na de ba ko na obi e hwe ne say Everton se koba so mko relegation na say Kamaldeen Sulemana yenim no na oba Black Stars obebo no modern no ono so e ko championship enso akosi na kan wo entina Ghana
Southampton cross baby omo danye
Southampton so baby odanye yes Southampton so baby odan ono so the relegation zone mu sa and Ghana for bebre na e kan e ho nsam but what choose Southampton so obeko akosi akan e de amaomo Southampton so ye another club omoma young chaps no enso kwan and ye no academy system no good solid and any time bia na player bi be form academy system nim aba no mpempe no modern bono konkan and say young kwachire kura no ye be kan obi te say Sadio Mane ye nim no from Southampton na asa oba Liverpool ene odi akodu Bayern Munich ne modern money ya dia etumi apeja de akọ wiase afanya na ama obi atenenka wo football mo into all choose Southampton no no so betumi aboa no was that playing time open no osanso Ghana ni Abrante Mohamed Salisu ono so ho obetumi aboa no ene no esi akan no Southampton make say a good choice at the man but ni na ne say Southampton betumi akam league nim na fe ya kwaso ahu ne modern no enso league no emu Barcelona for Sofan Amrabat yes Sabasanya na ye Barcelona so much for this new go and Frankie de Jong on call ye Frankesi still ono so ho and afa wo hwe Abrante ani de Sergio Busquets ono na ebo onyi adie ni naba likely classes season and there ono case of retire from footballer enyo bi anwawa because wo hwe bia na age no enso edu ogusu ho ba Amrabat so performance World Cup no me de ma Morocco ya de eboa ye ekọ kan de ma Morocco man pa ni na aka ho na de Morocco ekokodu ba bi omudu ye World Cup nim okọ na so wokoshem de ma Barca a good addition de ma Barcelona so wan ko ya start tempo na so wo free bench ba Sergio Busquets bi free mu a onim say Sofan Amrabat bi so ba ye equally good at the replacement at the ma Abrante and the Sergio Busquets enti se Barca enso saka na ebetumi aboa but okọ Fiorentina almost wadwa esan say nei Abrante na nko training enso Fiorentina akache enti almost etumi adwa no se nia Barca and Abrante na ye no almost bo enjo so ama sikakura Barcelona do koye no Fiorentina for na reject say enya de a on beton no ba yegu susu de akire hwe say no so beko akwakosi sen Tongan Hazard enso free Germany abesen akọ Eredivisie nim akọ sign de ama PSV and Noven wono so akọ Bolon enso etumi de ama Sabo Boko nti eno so no ne de a efro de eba Kylian Navas eba say anaso tim no enso any dinachi pa club ababefa Cristiano Ronaldo na osi akan de amomo Saudi Arabia league nim no omanye the goalkeeper Kylian Navas echi de free Paris Saint-Germain na wababesi akan ba PSV for so report say ya dia omo so eja no de na ko but still now you go so monitor situation no say the new besi akọ e dey afa so obekọ anasa won kono eno so no ochena no pa yetrase a obi abehu sania ekoko wieye afa Joao Cancelo
try no see na o ja for me to
deal a obi ehwe mienu even make us me example and asa Chelsea Enzo Fernandez no Arsenal any Jorginho die no Jorginho ne Arsenal o ma wie okọ another one a stand so shock you obi a Joao Cancelo from Juventus to Manchester City and all free Juve ba no edi ana wa je wo bo onim now no na say di no o sha say kakra Juventus oba starting na o china na de na to bench no free bench ba Pep Guardiola Eddie Danilo ekwasesa no ekwafa no from Juventus Eddie Danilo ko Juve and o dey Joao Cancelo ba no obaye solid Eddie Emma Manchester City or understand Pep Guardiola ne tactics ne philosophy how na odi ye adwuma Man City et no ye adwuma ni ye Man City to say you call World Cup ba ye ni man share dan ko ye matches ya bo be 10 matches bi no on share dey nya bi more ye and uti on one kasa on say onya playing time few weeks yi and no na kan we man ni take decision say Bayern Munich offer na ba obeko oni Pep Guardiola ntemu de bibie ni ho according to player no waso ni Guardiola ntemu de playing time no onya and also obeko because of playing time ono anga dem say club na wo kom no so challenges na so dos wo ho okwa akosia competition ahoro e wo but obeko enti wakwa akopiem 22 years wakwa akosia de Bayern Munich good addition de Bayern Munich club no obebo
Mazraoui say injury near there
yes Benjamin Pavard ono so crampo likely so ono so ebeko enti Joao Cancelo obebo e de Bayern Munich a good addition e de Bayern Munich boboko no all koninti City so ehwe say ombenya Antonio Robinson from United States of America ono so ababeshe nanai.
Okay, news about Manchester United and so no din komosa Abrantia and din Krobia Abrantia Sabitzer Marcel Sabitzer of Bayern man you for so ni din komosa in komoni kwone nimpa say likely say just Sabitzer don where was ejina nim where be fa pa and e bo mo va for mo bo bia ban am soro was it
oh you go say
someone who saw ha na mo go fa where was by then Sabitzer Sabitzer and man you come and so no so din about the close of the day no and also no a bit me and so no Harry Maguire so no interphone so no any no din come news and also no
wanko
no send us local and so ni Joao Cancelo and so what me holding the first press conference and so I just said number 22 about and so say and so no to me Eriama Bayern Munich Boko no na why
has a coffee transfer has a coffee Forest striker
Jakoto so akofa foreign striker
kono akofa Brazil has akofa Cameroon
Abrantia Kamaldeen Sulemana ono so the medicals no and also no because of France nya no England because of medicals because of France na Abrantia na fly na finsu wa be sign deal no our England send us already to 25 million euros and ne sika and you know Southampton etu ya de ma Rene na Abrantia Kamaldeen Sulemana and also Abantisha no so next week akobe Kamaldeen so jiramu our English Premier League o be fekeke and someone man union Southampton man you more I'm more
omabo ti no nam line so
American e fe no
Salisu so ejina chiro
this is not my go continue senior transfer issues mam di kan mo akwa aba say bia kama
oh okay bia kama bia kama e dey ready ase what dey ase say ode ene den acheyen da ene me wo big announcement bi was say meeting me say
Your microphone be on everything.
Oh, yes, MBA. I never say OTNE.
It's also a big
Nyamiadum. Oh, there be. And they Mihokeni, I would die. And then oh, me Madam Ankasa, wow, Yamakon, when they any birthday. I think so, and then so is I, Mr. Small Boy in the back at once, back at and see any birthday. You when Yami be or them fee, back I could be unfilmed when I say, I said that and come on, Madam Abeta and San Ado. And
fantastic.
Me ba Eden Ado Tay on also any birthday, you know. Yaka say nyame yadan nyame ase say o de sa emfi aka won film.
Madam Alberta Ansa Ado and birthday. See on this Yiran Kasanga. Oh, and I think it not so fantastic. And you know, Madam Alberta Ansa Ado, happy birthday. And we if you could also talk papa sounds na senior the bar Eden Tay Ado also an birthday you know and then wife and son and one birthday we see anything as say what do papa yakupon so na unshira and never you of your I couldn't mamanda I think I'm sure transfer issues cook one
I'm say Iggy transfer market no ayede o share and now share deadline nti no share bia
and it's Madam birthday
nti birthday so nti no say bia bojaye bia oh ye beda I don't know
transfer deadline
Ege o say na tankoya me fafi tankoya ye me fa Chelsea because na yen famra yen short yen famra ye hwe tankoya na Chelsea le transition ye change the ownership of Chelsea na yadi akoye to bolino na ade supporters ni su wo ho ya ni say how Abramovich team no sa pepe na manager obo betima team ni ana ntina amanfo se no auto players sa pepe no so ba auto players ana but wo hwe ni area obey ya within the short time obey wato players almost see ye kwato Enzo Fernandez become wato players makuma 12 see here obey players makuma 12 wouldn't say one team na say wato away good players we need na wom na e beka say say players wato yin na no for development because wo hwe ne plans are odi aba team ni ma form say 5-year development plan only you say then you would say who hwe ni vision na so no odwene it who hwe players was sign when you na 7 years 8 years 6.5 it means say our long-term project then our initial so into now players so sign when you na young into no me can say this transfer party now who should come be a Chelsea na me say obi aboni because who hwe players are what on say sales are why within this short time who say na Chelsea supporters here must see one but who say manager actually say no on so or half for SF supporters because who should contract our sign na 1.2 billion be that why and here for players and obesity park no the who should send this car auditor na yes car need a contract na ho then or into na manager sa press na ko contract no into na yam na ye hwe say players na eba no na be players aye what down na say we player na say wo ejine kwani ma na we say ofa ho adwene nti yam me ho say Jorginho ne mo ne zie chene mu nyina obi a represent obetimanya ba bia den akwakobo because wo hwe ni future e Chelsea a encheda nkoye because Pirani ade ha wonti ma wonti nya chance e wase wo bo ne den emmo ye hwe police ja oba ona so na wasen Pirani wasen nti na ma wonya sa chance ne monti say chance bi aba na wo hwe Jorginho say ya team no ne contract bewu this summer but team ni na say wonya de obeden wo be sign because this summer obekọ na say contract aba e wose oja no ko so yen sa some obekọ free nti na wose oja no ko nti no enye me nwa say Jorginho e dey fi Chelsea but you say what should we very careful say won team because you say only build up and say what the show team all the players e wono wo mo yin akwa say be ha nti enye me nwa ye hwe transfers e kwa and ye deadline transfer dinga obi ani di achi mo Enzo Fernandez but wo hwe Benfica for na one man wan say enya do be ja player no say obesu ye ja player ndia and ye first can to brani enjoy but in this time no ya dey betima kukuru 120 million na odi akwakoto one player a fair play be chero and na ama I say enkomodi didun emu atwen but ye hwe Oye Mendes a wabem
the same thing that happened time na Joao Felix Elifi Benfica akwa Atletico sa pepe na happen na so ni Luis Cross 120 Benfica Atletico buy we so what na Benfica ma watch no I say more this cannot to but ayi and we go free Mendes no be mu or be mu no ba che no I do between installment it's the same thing na happen a we go so aka but na ama I don't know I train so no I say when say how to pay this cano and the woman say I was say Chelsea say we had installment ni 20 food there I was here to ask more than there was here to no. They say 120. I was here to more than 120. No, you better buy 130. Apart from 130, no agents fee. I was here in Chelsea. I was here to ya. And sana, sa 30 million. I was here ko. New oldest club na ne club we fi buy no. Says can say Chelsea is here to ya. This how no man ama. I say to train. We go see can was. Me say I don't know about 11 o'clock. And I say 11:30 to 12 na transfer and baby. You say nebia on set out because you say. Oshe nentia Chelsea for any abre with that player and say now no can't you be a prepare more internet was say or then Oshe na or you internet and was say this transfer window no akoba but like I say you hope on say and I feel back ne we no na BBS na for watching ye ba ni yan say obi akọ ni am obi ntino ege ebeja ma the deadline ye say ye kwatena machine tin ye check akobisa nko yam say yedi be kwa wie ne wo players na say wo be move because obia I per se auto player no so aka movement ni yeguso nti yeke time ne be kwa wie ye 11 o'clock ni yam ba bi obia o je say di we hunya pa ye Enzo Fernandez den but yan hwe na mere be wa kwa ye.
Okay, confirmed. Abrantia ni edi Jindo Morishita. Abrantia na so gbere mu Accra Great Olympics. Ono so no akọ sign deal edi am Olympics intino confirmed deal. Yes, former Ebusuan Drafts player, Japanese international. Abrantia ni edi Jindo Morishita. Ono so uremu Great Olympics ono so na akọ sign deal and so no edi ama Accra Great Olympics and a deal confirmed deal. And also, but I'm on a part issue, no. Still now, and also, Boba, likely say I'm trying to deal with Tunzium, is the closest, no. I'm a woman of Bassa, and so yeah, now you say name of my financial fair play.
Bassa, I got some players need to come to me register for the second, you know.
Abrantia Nidin and Sono at the Rajan Angolan, and so no. Many were born Spal, LCDB, Italy. Rajani Angola and say Remu, our Spal, of course I need a Masseria B club and so no at Spal, our the Italian second division as a first division anymore, and Tianon in some but I mean call Facebook and I mean kind messages no. Now I am best sorry, so I'm a boy China pa, but now near the deals in the transfer deadline day. Deals in and so Eddie about now Coco Veronica a nice job solo and also I don't know solo the amount kwan is it ha sounds now Prof Daniel Ahim Fortune I say watching you live inside Medina Estate. Kodoko is losing tomorrow. May and also the but Chelsea should give us good signings. I know Prof Daniel Ahim Fortune and also the message you are about yeah Sebe I'm a come if you're still watching the show live from Gospel Oak Barbering Shop inside Amokom Kumasi, wishing us Santi Kodoko all the best against Karela tomorrow. And also, I don't know, a Chinebe Uremni GPL matches and so Kobe Yako no expectation transfer deadline, no expectation shocking deal and a surprise BBP transfer deadline.
All that sure say BBR to Messi. I think that it's all done, exception of the be free baby be meno side and ya dear be player papa be new will be movie at this particular time. I could team papa be until I think that it would do for one more I can and I think that would be that. But yeah dear a big CD BB who be to Messi or this transfer. I think that a lot of teams, you know, so no, are content with almost scored our one idea. So, how they na Kasabe to me, then we see from there.
Okay, Danny Alves issue no into news about actually my name yere so ko file for divorce against Danny Alves and say once I mean you know na ko tata kwaranka to anko club enko bo emegu mani ma say any area nti ni oba no say or file for divorce. sene be ya ne kun Dani Alves ono so no obi a be pen baby afa na obi adwe no nkwara na na pa na akofa na je se onso de oma ya oma de ntino awo kire ba ye no ba no zu oja be ma no ntino anonso eno no edisini akọ mu fan chance NBA 4 lines na mu fan chance china ebinya bre enso no etimi ede am but Marcel Sabitzer enso deal no ne no abrantia no nso no ewurem a yeze news ne bobo ba ne say about 70% done so abrantia needed Marcel Sabitzer as we were manje ayi dey come as man as I am sorry abrantin be wurem tino the beast no as we wurem Manchester United na you say entan kopim 11 p.m. and then you no abrantin dey ade Marcel Sabitzer and so no be wurem our here Manchester United I don't know Eriksen Prano na akofa ni nyina ba Eriksen Prano ana akofa ni nyina ba baby sense na baby yi nti abrabo no sa na tenti Marcel Sabitzer the beast yes onusu jam and so no na ba na bobo o che say zolo achana chama me why na musa ni di new year
say bel nko ade a
ba be na mi ti e bo mpa ya mamo e be yi
we hu mpa ye
ai na ka
me be ye hu nhye yi na ma
ye bo mpa ya mamo say e be bem na manyu so no manim abanyam na mabre
ara ye be ya da no ye di mu onyam
ye be bia moda no na mu niam amukura no eno na ya ma asem no ya asem anye be bia woda no na mu no niam
players na
players no
o ba obebo lo nkeka no akon baby
so wetin dey see na yakọ na se kese confirm executive producer ya Kofi Anton Bafo Sansona na Kofi Okori Ajuman Pasolo Paradise Krobia Sante Sansona Neno senior on duty woteneka Ajopokuya ewonam the writer commentator DJ Zigibi DJ Donzi omunyana so no ebo mechidom ama mede nsem no enso no etimi edebra wa unya bre enso no etiemi ehwe live on Facebook no na me sure no your kese media Kelvin Amponsedi na me bo achina 10 am anopa nondu adekopim awia dumienu yehia Global Sports no so na fin so no yedi nkomo enene nhyehyɛ a se ya fi achina akọ new month new edition new sports and yede bante achina on the 1st of February ekono Global Sports no ebeba anopa nondu adekoma awia dumienu ntia na wa hye no so muchum
do